Hi and welcome to Rentio Toor videos. I am Chef Shivani Mehta. Today we are going to make Dal Paniyaram. So this recipe is again for health freak people. I have soaked dal, rice and mixed dal over the night. I am going to add sprouts into it and making batter of paniyaram. Using appam pan, I am going to make paniyaram topped with veggies and roast it from both the sides. And finally we will serve it authentic style with sambar and coconut chutney. So let's not waste the time and start cooking.
You're all I want, now keep me warm. Just like a dream, I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do.
So this interesting recipe can be your next day's breakfast. So don't forget to try this recipe at your home and let us know how did you like the recipe. Don't forget to follow our social media pages and do recommend our channel to your friends and family too. Thank you so much for being with us.